Juki products enrich our everyday life. Juki supports people's dreams and lifestyles with advanced technology. Since its establishment in 1938, Juki has provided the highest quality products and services to industries around the world. The first household sewing machine provided people the enjoyment of fashion. Industrial sewing machine, contributing to the expansion of apparel industry, recognized as global brand. The first card punch, entrance to the electronic computer business. Chip mounters, corresponding to the emerging demands in the computer age. In 1964, Juki was listed on the Japanese Stock Exchange. In the time of rapid change, Juki continued to pursue innovative creation in the unexplored fields. And Juki eventually expanded its business range to global scale, believing that contributing to world peace with its advanced technology is its mission. Juki's growth engine is its manufacturing capabilities, which integrate advanced skills, production equipment, and know-how based on technologies accumulated over 80 years. Heartfelt work and high technology are the DNA of creation, inherited to each of us. We have continued to create new era with our customers, anticipating what's beyond doors of the coming ages and solving the problems of the future. And now, we are about to achieve a grand transition into the solution business. That transition is from the individual machine sales to solution proposal, providing new values to the customers. Juki takes on new challenges to contribute to innovation, utilizing our IT systems. In the age of IoT, where the world is tightly connected, manufacturing calls for the utilization of information. By connecting entire factories, as well as offices and homes, innovation will advance at remarkable speed. Juki utilizes IT and AI to generate vast improvements in the manufacturing industry. In various production sites, Juki will become a solution provider with its innovative technologies. Through global and innovative business expansion, we will create new value together with our customers. To become the chosen solution partner, Juki will continue taking challenging steps aiming the 100th anniversary.